Welcome to NEET Direct program by SP Smart. Today we shall discuss the solutions to the problems given in the assignment of physics from the chapter of bulk matter part 2nd. These problems were taken from various competitive examinations. So let us start from question first. Read carefully. It is said that a cylinder of height 20 meters completely filled with water. The velocity of efflux of water through a small hole is given by, well, very simple. You should know the formula for velocity of efflux as given by Torricelli's principle or Torricelli's equation. 2 into g, I take roughly 10, and height means depth to which water is filled, that is 20. So this is 20 square and this is 20 meter per second, and that means option B is the correct option for this problem. So now let's move on to question second. There is a hole in the bottom of a tank having water. If total pressure at the bottom is 3 atmospheres, well, this is a tricky point. First thing, you should know that 1 atmosphere is 10 power 5 Newton per meter square. Second thing is, when it says a total pressure, it means pressure due to water as well as pressure due to the atmosphere. So in short, the total pressure that's given to be 3 atmosphere, I am changing this to Newton per meter square. It's 3 this much, but the effective pressure is what's given here. It is the pressure due to the atmosphere, pressure due to water, and here what we need is pressure due to water. In other words, pressure, effective pressure is this much. You bring it on this side because we know 1 atmosphere is the atmospheric pressure. This is pressure due to water. So 3 minus 1 is 2, 10 power 5 Newton per meter square. This is the pressure that I'm going to use in this question. And as you know, the velocity of efflux is given by 2gh square root. Here, I got to know the height h, height to which water is filled. Again, there's a tricky point. You should know the formula of pressure, which is h rho g. Pressure is 2 10 power 5. H we do not know. Density of water is 10 power 3 meter per meter cube. G is roughly 10. So height to which water is filled is 2 10 power 5 divided by 10 power 4. As you can see here, this would get cancelled. It is 20 meters. Now we can definitely use h as 20 meters in this formula, and here that's how we can get the answer to this problem. So I move it further. V is 2 into g into h, that I've just discovered is 20. So it's 20 into 20, 20 square, and this root. So 20 meter per second is the velocity of efflux of water through this orifice. So let's check out which option has 20 as the answer. Well, as you can see here, this option is very much 20 because it is given in unsimplified form. 400 square root means 20. So my option, that 20 meter per second, is option A. So I put it here as option A as the correct option for this problem. Now let's move on to question third. In the figure, velocity V3 will be, V3 means this. This is what you have to find out. Here, this is the velocity of water entering this entrance point, and this is area of cross section. This is area of cross section for this part, and this velocity. Here, area of cross section is given. Find the velocity. If you watch this statement very carefully, watch the diagram very carefully, it appears it's based on the equation of continuity, right? That means V into A is constant, velocity into area cross section. Let me write this equation of continuity for this part, also for this part, and also for this part. So I should write V1A1 is equal to V2A2 plus V3A3, because this input, these two are outputs. So total input should be equal to total output. So now V1A1, you can check from here. It is 4 into 0.2 is equal to, we write from here, V2 into A2 plus V3, which we don't know, and A4 is zero point 0.4. Simplified further, it's 0.8, this is 0.4, it is 0.4 V3. Shift it here, it becomes 0.4, it's again 0.4 V3, and you simplify it further, V3 becomes 1 meter per second. So the option here is 1 meter per second. Option C is the correct option for this problem. So in this way, we have solved all the problems given in the assignment from the chapter of properties of bulk matter, part second, under the NEET Direct program. The answer to question first was option B, answer to question two was option A, and question number three had an answer C. That's all for today, and God bless you all.